All right, Rebecca, where are we?
Cold and terrible Utah.
Where are we going?
Las Vegas!
Is it going to be nice and warm?
It better be.
Well, let's go ahead and get there. Where are we, Rebecca?
Las Vegas!
How does it feel?
Oh, it's so warm.
It smells like
It
springtime.
smells like spring. It feels like spring. It looks like spring. Come on, Utah.
Get with the program.
Get with the program. It's spring.
Hey, Rebecca, where are we? You don't need to look backwards. If we end up in this water, I will be very unpleased right now.
We're on Colorado River?
Some river. We're south of the Hoover Dam.
Area near Hoover Dam?
Yes, we are heading towards Emerald Cave, and it is windy. There's going to be a lot of GoPro footage, but we're excited.
Yeah, hopefully we make it.
Yeah, we will. We're blowing there already, so we'll see when we get there.
Yeah. How's it going back there, Skylar?
Great. Going great.
I like your GoPro.
Thanks.
Yeah, we're in our vacation shirts. We're vacationing. We're paddling. And it's a little windy, but it's going to be lovely.
Where are we, Rebecca?
Well,
We made it. We're just waiting to go in.
apparently we made it, but it doesn't look very emeraldy. It's probably because the sun's not shining through. It's cloudy.
Very cloudy.
And so the cove doesn't look as green. It looks kind of dark. Are you tired?
Not yet. We will be after going back.
No, we're gonna go back against the wind and maybe try to get Heather and Mike and tow them this way. But Skylar, don't let us keep going. Make us stop. I can't see your face.
All right, Rebecca, where are we? We've made it
Well,
to what we think is. This is nice. Well, no, I mean, it looks very green on my phone. We'll take it.
yeah, if the sun was shining, it would
be
look
way
better.
nice.
But it was fun kayaking here.
Yes, now we get a kayak.
And it's cool
all
the
way
water
back.
was green. We gotta go try to find Skylar's mom.
We'll tow them around. Rebecca, you didn't tell me my hair was so crazy. Where are we? We're back on land at the same Black Canyon Willow Beach. Do we have a good time kayaking?
Mm-hmm. Did you?
Yes, it was a ton of fun. Let's switch spots so that you're not
What was your favorite part?
Just the river. Like, look how nice it looks. It's huge, huh?
Yeah, it was beautiful and fun, and we're such a good team on the double kayak.
Yes, Amazing Race, here we come, right? It was a great time.
So it was fun. What would you rate 5-star out of 5 stars the Emerald Cove?
3. If it was sunny, 4. I don't think it's not a 5-star. What do you think?
Not a 5-star because it wasn't super green. It was really tiny, but it was fun going out there.
Yeah,
And definitely doable. It's not like, well, I didn't think it was that hard.
Yeah, it was great. I would definitely recommend
It
it.
was a 4-mile round trip.
What's going on here, Rebecca? What is all that cheese?
I'm trying to get the toppings on my pizza.
What did we get?
A deep dish Chicago style pizza.
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Try it, Rebecca.
It's too much pressure. Why are you videoing me eating my pizza? Here we go.
Pressure's on.
Oh my gosh. What if it burns my mouth?
How does it taste? Thumbs up?
It's really good.
Where are we, Rebecca?
The Mirage.
On the strip, watching some shows.
Yeah, I think there's gonna be a volcano.
Oh, the water's raining on us. What did you think, Rebecca? Fun.
Yeah.
It's exciting.
Is it like actually raining or where's this water coming from?
No, it's from the That big blast at the end, yeah. That was cool.
That was fun.
Never seen that before ever.
No.
We've been here a bunch of times and never seen it. Let's keep walking.
Let's go.
Where are we, Rebecca?
We're in the Red Rock Recreation Area. Hiking Middle Oak Creek Trail. Tyler!
I'm getting hurt by these bushes more than any of these dangerous cactuses, but look how tough these cactus needles are.
They have to be protected by
Like
the animals.
they don't even bend at all.
Did they stab your finger?
They will if I touch it, should I?
Touch it, yeah.
No.
Oh, come on.
I'm not going to. These things I think hurt worse. These darn like stick bushes. Scratch your legs up.
You should fall on a cactus and see how high you'll jump.
He's like, ow.
Ready?
Yep. That was the worst. Your feet didn't even leave the ground.
Yeah, that is so sharp. I bet that would puncture your tire on your bike.
Oh, definitely would.
That's like a needle.
What's going on, Rebecca?
Haley!
Ow!
What's our thoughts of this boardwalk hike?
I like it a lot.
We like it a lot.
That's nice. Okay, Skylar, so where are we officially then?
Red Rock Spring.
Oh.
Boardwalk.
I thought we knew better than this.
still don't.
I think it's Red Spring Boardwalk.
Yes, but it's great. We like it.
Yeah, there's
A lot of rocks.
fun little
Plus for me.
fun rocks.
I'll be coming.
All right, Rebecca, where are we?
We are at Pinball!
Pinball Hall
Hall
of
of
Fame.
Fame.
Have you ever played pinball before?
I mean, only
Are
online.
you good at it?
Probably not.
Well, let's go find out.
I want to see that these things work before I
Push
go.
start.
No, where did I push?
Start. That
It
probably.
says push to reject. Oh.
Hey, you got a ball in there. Good luck. Pull the lever.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh no!
You're not very good at this.
How was I supposed to avoid that? Oh my gosh! So many balls!
Don't just flick it.
I'm not strategic, Skylar.
How did that try ball go, Rebecca?
That was oh! I'm not very good at this.
Oh, that was lame.
You didn't even try.
Into the hole.
Try again. You did a bad job.
Are you gonna beat our high score?
Let's see, we'll find out real soon.
Oh, that was bad.
Pull the lever.
Rebecca likes this machine because it counts up your score.
Come on. It's retro.
This is awesome. I like this all the
Is this one fun?
Yeah, this one's fun.
Skylar's destroying at some Miss Pac-Man. Did that? Oh, nice work. You make it look so easy.
Here we go.
Who won, Rebecca?
I did, but that was difficult.
Next one.
Oh my gosh. Hey, Skylar, how'd it turn out?
I lost every stage. Except the last one, we were close.
We were close.
We were close on most of them.
You were
actually.
pretty good at
You beat me.
dancing.
Hit me fair and square. Good game.
Okay, Skylar, What's going on?
We are driving home back into this cold and dreary place after a nice warm weekend in Vegas and Henderson in Arizona. How do you feel about it, Rebecca?
Sad.
Yeah, we gotta go back to school and work in this cold, snowy, rainy place.
What was your favorite part of our trip?
Kayaking, the pinball place were both really awesome. What about you?
Definitely the weather.
You like this weather?
Not this weather.
The Vegas weather.
The Vegas weather and kayaking.
Yes, those are all very fun.
But back to the real world. Goodbye, warmth.